You know, a lot of employers will ask a question something like, why should I take the risk in hiring you? And essentially they've been asking that the entire interview. And that this is an opportunity for the student to really think about what are 3 good reasons to hire me, and then to back those reasons up with examples. But they have to keep it brief. For example, they might say, they looked at the job description, and being organized is an important quality the employer is looking for. They should bring that up at this point and give them an example that backs the fact up that they are an organized candidate.
So give me a couple of reasons, a couple of qualities that you have as a student, and why it will match my position or why it will match my company. So for example, we are looking for supervisors. You're going to be managing people. Maybe bring something up in your background and say, hey, I was the manager at this fast food chain. I know what it's like to deal with different people. I know there are different motivations, and I feel that that would fit really well in your environment because this will be similar.